Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford Edge in a titanium trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you. You do have a pretty spacious cargo area that can't always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And you have buttons to do it for you from the back here and a 12-volt power outlet. And then the hatch does close again with another simple press of a button. And then looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior and fold-out armrests in the middle with 2 cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet and a 110-volt power outlet. And heated rear seats, so that's pretty nice too, and fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and 3 memory buttons for your driver's seat, steering wheel, and mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 55,390 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen here, where you have your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, and your controls for your left screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, all-wheel drive status, distance to empty, RPMs with oil temperature, I believe, tire pressures, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls and your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with front and reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view as well, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then moving, or just above your screen, you have a compartment here for storage, and then moving down from your screen, you have your hazards, your front camera view, with 2 different views there, and then you have your media controls here with Sony audio, and your climate controls, once again dual front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, very nice, convenient. Then you have a compartment down here with 2 USBs and some space for storage, and then down below you have this area here for more storage and a 12-volt power outlet for your front passenger up here. And then finally you have your main shifter with select shift. You have paddle shifters on the wheels so you can manually shift through your gears, and parking brake, your parallel park assist here, and your park assist sensor shut off. And then you have 2 cup holders and your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest, which has another 12-volt power outlet inside and looks to be pretty spacious as well. And then last but not least, you do also have a panoramic moonroof up top, so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.